大家好啊！今個星期 CVS 仍然有好多唔同嘅優惠，有好多買一第二件唔使俾錢，快啲入嚟睇下啦！我而家買 Wash Sugar Body Wash Hand Soap 同埋 Sugar Scrub 都係買一送一。而家買 Total Home Visa Gallon Bag， 每盒呢就有18個，買一第二盒唔使俾錢，每盒只係為到1.95啫喎。另外 Total Home Pocket Pad Tissue 一包呢有10包，每包只係1.59。Manna and Tail 洗頭水、護髮素、Shampoo and Conditioner 32毫升大支裝，而家買一送一，每支只係4.65。Rice Crisper Treats 而家一盒呢有16條，都係買一送一，每盒只係2.3毫半啫。多謝大家收睇，記得訂閱點讚，拜拜。